Sam Sheridan from Sheridan Computers. Today I get to play with a G3 Flex from Unify. I've got a project to set up Unify Protect for a client in a house. Don't normally get a chance to use these cameras, so figured that we'd take a look at them. Let's head over to here. So this is the camera, the G3 Flex indoor and outdoor PoE camera. Unmatched versatility, unlimited scalability. And the price of them is $79. Is the MSRP on this with the UK, so it was basically £58 plus VAT, which is really cheap for a camera. Let's say I've not played with these before. No idea what the quality is like. I'm going to find out. Probably not in this video. I'll do another video once this kit's set up. Because we've got some G3 Pros coming tomorrow as well. So when we get all that set up, then I can do a proper video on it. So apparently these things can be desktop mount, indoor wall mount, hard ceiling mount, false ceiling mount, and conduit mount. A desktop mount, it's got rubberized bottom of the desktop mount, keeps your G3 Flex in one place on any flat surface. Features wide angle lens, 1080p video performance, infrared LEDs and automatic IR cut filter provide high quality day and night monitoring. Again, it's to go with Unify Protect. It should be fairly easy to set up. Into specs and details. So you can see it's quite a small camera by the looks of things. We'll have a look when we take it out of the box in a second. Package contents, we've got the camera, indoor mount, pole mount, outdoor cover, screws, screw anchors. It's got the viewing angles, infrared LEDs, sensor details, operating temperature, -20 to 50 degrees. Brightness, contrast, sharpness, saturation, noise reduction. It's got an in-built microphone. Networking interface, it's got one 10100 Ethernet port with a max power consumption of 4 watts and power method 8023AF PoE. So we need a PoE switch or an injector to work with this. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and have a look at it. So you can see I've already got the Unify Protect set up. I've got the outdoor switch to power these things. Let's go ahead and rip it apart. As with all Unify equipment, it's well packaged. That slides out nice and easily. Okay, that is a small camera. How do you get out of the box? Oh, it's on a bit of a blip at the bottom. So the whole size of the camera. That thing is tiny. So as you can see, you can happily sit it on a desktop by the looks of things. In the box, we have the getting started kit. No stickers. No. Base mount. However that goes on, just flips on like that. And it has a hole in the back to expose the RJ45. So does this thing come off? Yes. So if we take the bottom off, we can see the reset switch on the bottom there. The RJ45 port on the back. This thing is really tiny. I quite like that. That's a funky little bit of kit. And we've got the mounting brackets, as it said. That's about it. What's in there? And in the box we also have cable ties for the pole mount. Just put them back. How was that in there? Like that. back in. So I know I said I'm not going to try and power it up and adopt it. I suppose it won't be much of a video without doing that. Yeah, let's go ahead and give it a quick try. So I have my cloud key set up. I'm going to go ahead and power it up real quick. We can unplug this flex, it's not needed. Get out. Let's take this camera out of the box. Take all the crap off the bottom. Go ahead, power it up, see what happens. So, we powered up. There's a little light on the front. Can you see that? No, not really. It is there. It's just here, if you can see. Yeah, peel the lens cover off. So we're flashing. Don't know if it's started up as yet. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And just log in. So we have no cameras of yet, as I'm not sure this will work off our network. Let's go ahead and try and add the camera, see if we can find it. Oh, and there it is, G3 Flex. How do we adopt it? Is that it? Oh, add device. See, I've not done this before with the Protect. So the new device, the camera's now there and it's adopting. So it's updating. And we're online. So we did manage to get it work. I wasn't actually sure it'd work on our network with the way it's set up for provisioning to our own controller. Let's go ahead, have a look at the live feed. See if we can make this a bit bigger. So we can So we can make that full screen, and you can see all the crap on the other side of my office that I can see. That's actually really clear. Exit full screen. It's quite a funky little device, so let's see how it works at night. Try and make it look a bit darker in here. Turn the TV off. Get off. Make this a bit bigger. So as you can see, the lighting on that is quite good as well. There are still some lights on. I'm going to go and make it even darker. So, we still have the lights from my monitor, I guess. Let's go make it even a bit darker as we can. That's pretty much pitch black in here. I can't see a single thing. I obviously can't see the camera either because I've got my monitors turned off. But it should give you an idea of how good the infrared is at night. Switch these on so I can see what I'm doing again. Tell that bit of the video. I'm going to have to play that back myself to see exactly what the quality was like on that. I'm going to turn some lights on real quick. So there you go. I hope that gave a good demo of this camera and what it's like. You should have seen me walking about to see how good the frame capture is on it. So I know I said I wasn't going to power it up, but yeah, I couldn't resist. I had to give it a try. So it wouldn't have been much of a video if I didn't do that. So I'll flip back to the video that I interrupted. So there we go. That's the first time I've literally ever seen one of these cameras. As I say, I can't power it up and adopt it at the moment because I don't have the networking side of things set up properly on the cloud key. But as soon as I get it up, we get the cameras mounted and everything, we'll have a look at the differences between the various cameras, the Flex, and as I say, I've got some G3 Pros arriving tomorrow. This was a very quick video just to introduce you to this thing, the camera. But it's really funky. So we've been tasked with the project of putting CCTV in a house for somebody, and this camera is basically so they can keep an eye on the dog and talk to the dog when they're away. If you like this video, please go ahead, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification icon to get notifications of any new videos that we do. If you'd like to hire us, head over to our website at sheridan.co.uk, fill out the contact us form, click on the hire us button, leave some details on what you're looking for, and we'll see how we can help you.